description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. There, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This weekend, we had to go to the bank on Saturday. I don't like going to the bank, but we had to go to the bank. And next to the bank is a Dollar Tree store and a, what do you call it? A grocery outlet. And at the grocery outlet, which is like, it's not used food, but it's cheapo food. Soy ginger, Simply Asia. On the positive note, it does not mention being authentic, inspired, or fusion. So that's a plus. I'm dedicating this one to my old buddy Jamie, who passed early this year in February. We used to joke about that whole concept. Oh, it's this inspired, it's that inspired. It's really funny because usually those inspired things were inspired by the devil, I swear. So many of them were really bad. Wow, this had this little point in the middle of the lid. Right there, wow. It's like a thumbtack sticking out right in the middle. Wow. So, to do this up, you have your noodle block. It's a shelf-stable fresh. Oh, that's funny. I'm kind of under a time constraint, but this is interesting. Is that milliliters? Wow, this is kind of a neat bowl. I wish I had one like this that was, I don't know, maybe a better quality, because I have a feeling this wouldn't do well in the dishwasher, but maybe I'll have to find out, because it actually has a liquid line. That's the thing, though. When I do, so sometimes I'll get a bowl, and before I do any of this stuff, I like to take the pretty pictures and edit all that stuff, so I have a framework, and you can see what's in the pack, all that stuff, right? For www.theramenraider.com, where if you're watching this from there, thank you. If not, and you've never been there and you don't know anything about it, and you only are a YouTube person, you really should go over there, because this is just a small part of what I do, this show. So if you really want to get the whole nuts and bolts and knives and cheese, soy ginger, huh? I'm not excluding this from still being a train wreck. That is a lot of liquid. A lot. So we're gonna need our 2 tablespoons. That smells like salad dressing. Okay, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons. Oh no, I didn't get my bowls. I've been like running around like a chicken with its head cut off, trying to get everything all together. And sure enough, I failed even that. Okay, this needs 2 cups. Here we go. 1, 2. Alright. That was simply water for this Simply Asia bowl. And, yeah, alright, 90 seconds. It says it's full steam, but that's a quick way to ruin the universe. All right, here we go. So there's that. The one I'll use for this, it's a US product. I don't think it's going to be that large. I'm going to go with this one. What else do I have? I've got that one. This one as well. And the last one is a spicy dry noodle curry. I think I'll go with whoa. It's crazy. I mean, when you have this many bowls and plates and junk, it's really a jumble. It's like, how do I nest all these things so they don't fall out? I mean, if we had an earthquake, oh my God. Every once in a while, though, I do think, you know, if we had an earthquake, it would really reset my my noodle bowl needs, which honestly would be kind of neat, but not that neat. Whoa. Ooh. Wow, that's hot. Wow. Okay. Okay. Come on. There's no way it's 9:36 already, is there? Holy crap, man. That's no good. I might have to rethink my order of operations here, because I've got... Ow! This is freaking hot. My prepping for today's review took longer than I expected. So at least this is a quick one. In fact, I can get the water boiling for the next one. It's just that critical, folks. See, I always try to be one step ahead of everything, but it doesn't always work out that way. Okay, so let's stir up our demonic bowl of authenticity. I really think this is not going to be what I expect. Well, I think it's actually going to be what I expected, which is the problem. But we will see. Here's our topping. Simple sesame seed topping. And then we stir it up in our clear bowl. No clear bowls, folks. Clear bowls are disgusting. Why? I'll tell you. Because it's clear. That's like trying to cover yourself up with like a plastic wrap so you won't show your body, I guess. I don't know, but it's just, there's something about it. You want to know the one thing that makes me retch and just feel nauseated immediately? You put a bowl... You take a clear bowl, like about this size, like a glass one. You put milk and Cheerios in it. I'll get mad. I'm serious. It's just too much for me. I don't know. I don't know what to think about that. Okay, so I think this is significantly done up. The vegetable in here looks really odd. Well, let's have a classy bowl of noodles. Cheers. Wow, what a fail. I'm not surprised. So soy ginger. Zero sense of soy sauce. Ginger. I guess. Mostly what I'm getting is acidic and violently sweet. And that's what these people do. And I don't know why. Who wants to eat this? This is disgusting. I can tell you right now, it's a 0-star. And I'm okay with that. I'm sure whoever designed this is like, what do you mean it's 0 stars? It's beautiful, it's wonderful, it's my life's work. Well, get a new life. I don't know. But this stuff is filth. Utter filth. Simply Asia has been on my bottom 10 list before. Well, crap just like this. Well, let's at least make it look nice. To do so, add some real Chinese sausage. Wow. Scallion. More sesame seed on top. All right. Okay, let's see here. Well, Rotato, do your thing. There's really no saving this. Ah, frickin' vile. That's all the time I want to spend on that, folks. That's a shame. Wow. The next one you're going to see is one that was sent by a lady named Amy on the Ramen Junkies group. Thank you. Look at that. Prison ramen, folks. This is Nissan Top Ramen Picante Beef for your correctional facilities. So that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.